Introducing Klarna's Pay in 4 payment option, the interest-free way to shop now and spread the cost over time. Today, you will learn how it works, how to use it, and why millions of shoppers in the US use it for their everyday purchases. Let's get started. Pay in 4 splits the cost of your purchase into 4 smaller payments over 6 weeks, interest-free, without fees if you pay on time. That means more control over your cash flow and the ability to buy what you need now without paying everything up front. There are 2 ways to use Pay in 4: directly at checkout with one of our partner stores, or using the Klarna app at any store. When you are ready to check out online, look for Klarna as a payment option. It sits right alongside the other payment options like Visa or MasterCard. After you select Klarna, you will enter your billing address and continue to order confirmation. If it is your first time using Klarna, before you can complete your order, you will need to set up an account. You will provide your name, address, and social security number for a quick approval process. A reminder, you must be 18 years or older to use Klarna's Pay in 4 option. Once set up, your information is securely stored for fast and easy payments going forward. With your account set up, you can proceed. Here you will see the Confirm Order button now says Pay with Klarna. You will automatically be redirected to Klarna to process the order. Now for the final step. When you are redirected to Klarna, you will see the full breakdown of the payment schedule. Provide your payment method and complete the order. Once you've placed your order, you do not need to do anything further. You are all set. The first payment will be due at checkout, and the next 3 payments will be automatically debited from the payment method you have on file. You'll get reminders before each payment, so you stay on track. You can adjust the payment method if needed prior to the next payment. And you can always pay off your purchase earlier, giving you more flexibility and control over your payment schedule. To pay early, find your order in the Payments section in the Klarna app and choose to pay your purchase earlier. You'll then be able to complete the payment using your preferred payment method. To extend your due date, find your order in the Payments section in the Klarna app. Choose to extend the due date of your purchase and pick a new date for your payment. If eligible, you'll only be able to extend the due date once per order, and the extension period is capped at 7 days. Need to return your order? Once you return your order to the merchant, Klarna will automatically adjust your payment schedule or issue a refund right in the app. With the Klarna app, you can easily check upcoming payments and manage due dates from the Payments tab to always stay in control. If you see an unfamiliar charge or something doesn't look right, you can pause your payments and contact Klarna support directly. Klarna never charges interest nor late fees when you pay in 4, as long as you make your payments on time. The total cost is always clear and shown up front. If you do miss a payment, we will try again to collect it. If we are unsuccessful on the second attempt, we will add it to the next payment in addition to a late fee. Late fees are up to $7, and the total sum of late fees will never exceed 25% of your order. Pay in 4 is a credit product, so you do need to be approved to use it. We run a soft credit check, so it does not impact your credit score. Every purchase with Klarna's Pay in 4 is decided based on current credit data and not contingent on past approvals or rejections. We understand it can be frustrating if you are denied, especially if you have been approved in the past. Different factors are being assessed in real time to help our customers balance debt risk and stay on top of their spending. A denied purchase will not impact your credit score, however. You can always check your estimated spending limits in the app. Just remember, responsible spending is key. Klarna is designed to fit your budget, not stretch it. If you need help or have a question, Klarna's support team is here 24/7. You can chat with us directly in the app, reach out through our website, or even call to speak to a live customer service agent. We're always happy to help you manage your payments, answer questions about your orders, or guide you through any issue. Klarna's Pay in 4 is a flexible, interest-free way to shop and manage your budget. Download the Klarna app or look for Klarna at checkout next time you shop, online or in-store. Take control of your spending and enjoy smarter shopping.